This is breaking news for all Excel users as Microsoft today announced 14 new text and array functions. These are amazing functions that everyone has been waiting for. And in this video, I will show you with example 5 of the text functions, and let us start right now with the toCall function. Assuming you have 3 lists in Excel spread across 3 different columns, this toCall function can help you combine everything into one single column like this. You just come over here and say equals toCall, open brackets, select your array, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard, and there you go. Everything is now combined into one single column like this. Secondly, if you wanted your results in one single row, then it's very simple. You use the toRow function. You just say equals toRow, open brackets, select your array, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard, and there you go. Everything spills across one single row like this. But please take note of this. With array functions, you only make changes in one single cell where the formula lives, and everything else will update automatically like this. For example, if you check up in our first cell in this column, you'll see the formula is active. But when you check in the second cell, you'll see that in your formula bar, everything is grayed out. So if you want to make any changes to this list over here, for example, you'd like to sort it alphabetically, then you only make changes to one single cell over here, and everything else will update automatically. For example, you wrap this function into the sort function, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard. Everything else will update automatically. With the new TEXTSPLIT function, you can forget functions like the mid, right, or even the text column feature, because now Excel has provided a formula method. In our example over here, let us split this list into first name, middle, and last name using the new TEXTSPLIT function. You just come over here and say equals TEXTSPLIT, open brackets, select the cell that contains the text, comma. Then at this point, you need to specify the delimiter, which in this case is a space in between each single text. So you open quotes, put a space, close quotes, close parentheses, hit enter key on your keyboard. And there you go. Everything will now spill to the rest of the columns. Let us drag this formula to the rest of the cells. And there you go. This is super easy. Now they've also added the text before and the text after functions. How do we use them? For example, if you wanted to extract only the first name from this list over here, you can say equals text before, open brackets, select the cell that contains the text, comma, then you identify the delimiter, which is a space. Then because we want to extract only the first name, then you tell Excel, give us text only after the first instance of our delimiter, put 1, close parentheses, hit enter key on your keyboard. You can drag this one to the rest of the cells. And there you go. So the text after function works in a similar way. Assuming you only wanted to extract the middle and the last name, you'll say equals text after, open brackets, select the cell that contains the text, comma, the delimiter is of course a space. You'll open quotes, put a space, close quotes, comma, put 1, close brackets, hit enter key on your keyboard. Drag this one to the rest of the cells. So that's how you can leverage and take advantage of the new text functions in Excel. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to this channel, because I'll be releasing new videos on the applicability of these new text and array functions in Excel.